Tiffany begins her solo hike in the snowy Sierra Nevada, seeking adventure.
Suddenly, a snowstorm hits, making the trail nearly invisible.
Lost and disoriented, she struggles to find any path forward in the blizzard. Determined, Tiffany moves toward the distant cabin, every step bringing her closer to safety. Inside the cabin, Tiffany searches for anything that could help her survive the storm. Tiffany melts ice over the fire and carefully checks her small stock of food to survive the storm. Rescue arrives. Tiffany steps out, amazed by the mysterious cabin that saved her.
Who do you think built this mysterious cabin? Would you dare to explore it? Share your experience in the comments.